Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting inside Facebook settings now. Log in with your password and any 2FA code you receive. Once logged in, make sure you have access to the recovery email or phone currently on file because Facebook will verify changes. Next, navigate. Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Personal Info or Contact Info. That's where recovery contacts live. Do this immediately so you can add or replace an email without interruptions. Keeping both old and new contact methods, handy speeds verification. You'll now add or replace the recovery email. Click Contact Info, choose Add Email or Edit beside the listed address, and type the new address exactly. After you submit, Facebook sends a confirmation message to that new email. Open it and click the confirmation link or enter the code back on Facebook. Once verified, Facebook uses the new address for recovery. Make sure to remove the old email only after verification. Otherwise, you might lose access if you can't receive codes. Finalize by confirming the new address inside Facebook, then remove the old email if you no longer want it listed. You should also enable two-factor authentication and add a backup phone or email for resilience. If the confirmation email doesn't arrive, check spam, promotions, and any inbox filters. Then resend the confirmation from Facebook and wait a few minutes. If you still can't receive it, try a different email provider or use a phone number for recovery. That fixes most delivery problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.